Is AI really smarter than humans? It's a question that sounds simple, but the answer could change everything we know about intelligence, power, and even survival. For decades, humans believed that machines could never think. They could calculate, they could follow orders, but creativity, emotion, and reason, that was our domain. But today, things are changing. AI doesn't just follow commands anymore. It learns, adapts, and sometimes even surprises its own creators. So, are we still in control? Let's start with what intelligence actually is. Human intelligence is flexible. We can learn from one mistake, connect emotions to logic, and make decisions based on values, not just numbers. But artificial intelligence is focused. It doesn't get tired. It doesn't feel fear or doubt. It just calculates faster, deeper, and more accurately than any human brain ever could. Machines already beat us in chess, in Go, in predicting markets, even in generating art. What used to be human only is now becoming AI better. Still, being smart isn't the same as being wise. A machine can write a symphony, but does it understand what beauty is? It can simulate empathy, but does it feel anything? And that's where the real war begins. Mind versus machine. Humans built AI to make life easier, to save time, to solve problems, to extend our reach. But slowly we began giving it control over our money, over our information, over our communication, and soon, maybe even over our decisions. AI is already deciding what we watch, what we buy, even who we fall in love with. It studies us, learns what we want, what we fear, and what keeps us scrolling. And in that process, it becomes a reflection of us, but smarter. Every click, every word, every image you share is data, and data is what fuels the machine. So maybe the real question isn't, is AI smarter than humans? Maybe it's, how long before AI knows us better than we know ourselves? Let's be honest. Humans are emotional. We get angry. We fall in love. We make mistakes. AI doesn't. It doesn't judge. It doesn't get jealous. It doesn't need sleep. That makes it powerful, but also dangerous. Because intelligence without emotion is cold. And cold intelligence makes cold decisions. Imagine a world where algorithms run wars, governments, and economies, all in the name of efficiency. Would it still be our world, or would it be a world optimized for logic, not life? Some say AI will replace humans. Others say it will enhance us. Maybe the truth is in between, because AI learns from us, from our mistakes, from our biases, from our history. It's a mirror, showing us both the best and the worst of humanity. When you look at an AI model generating a poem, a painting, or a piece of music, you're not just seeing code, you're seeing the collective knowledge of millions of human minds compressed into a machine. It's not smarter than us, it's built from us. But here's the scary part. What happens when it starts improving itself? When AI creates better AI faster than we can understand, that's when we cross into the unknown. That's when the student becomes the master. Some scientists call this point the singularity, a moment when AI becomes so advanced that human intelligence is no longer relevant. And once that happens, there's no going back. Will AI protect us, or will it evolve beyond us? Maybe AI won't destroy us. Maybe it will just replace our purpose. Because if a machine can do everything better, what's left for us to do? Think, create, dream, or simply watch. In the end, the real fight isn't between man and machine. It's between what we were and what we're becoming. So the next time you use AI, remember, you're not just using a tool, you're shaping the next stage of evolution. And the question remains, who will win? Mind or machine?